how to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to do it, you have to head over to your Shopify admin panel. Then here you can see the settings option at the top left corner, bottom left corner. Just tap onto it and then tap onto apps and sales channel. Then you have to tap onto Shopify app store. After clicking onto Shopify app store, search for Facebook and Instagram. You can search it up and then install this app right here. This one, the first one, just install it up and then confirm installation. And after completing the installation, I will show you the rest of the steps. So here we go, this is what it looks like. Now you can see this connect account option. Just simply tap on to connect account. Then you have to enter your login to Facebook account, your email address and phone number and your password. Then you have to log in, same as for the Instagram. So this is how you can do it. You can also tap on to get started, and here you can connect your account very easily. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.